everyone. So today I wanted to do a little cleaning motivation with you. If this is your first time here, hello, welcome. I want to thank each and every last one of you for rocking out with me. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave and give me a big thumbs up. Let's start cleaning. But first, before we start cleaning, I wanted to share this scale with you that was sent out to me. Osan sent this body scale out to me, and I wanted to share with you. It's a digital bathroom scale. This is what it looks like. It's a nice, sleek design. It comes with two AAA batteries, and you just place it in the back and it turns on like this. Once again, thank you, Osan, for sending this body scale out to me. If you guys are in the market, I will have it linked down in the description box. Now let's clean this house. You guys, this is why I have to put my hair back in braids. Look at this. This is real life right now. This is what happens when you live in the mountains. Look, there's the mountains over there. You see that?
If I want, let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it, you can do better. Let me show you what a good time.
I need you guys' help. I cannot vacuum this carpet the right way, so I've been having to insert this little hole on the bottom. Sometimes I even put the extender to get into the grooves of the carpet. If you guys have an easier way to vacuum, look at it. So this is what it is, and then I have to use this.
Baby, let your head down,
So if you guys have an easier way to vacuum this carpet, please let me know down in the comments, because I cannot figure it out. Me using my regular vacuum head, it's not working. It makes a big ball, smaller part. Usually it's a lot more every time I vacuum. So if you guys have a rug like this, let me know if I'm doing it correctly. I don't want to ruin the carpet, but the only way that I can vacuum at this point is I have to go and use this, and it's really time consuming. Okay, so this is my bedroom. Mr. made the bed this morning. So I'm happy that he made it. I don't care if it's half done or not. It still looks nice. So you see, we don't have a lot to do in here. But I will change my linen again, and I have to put these up. These were off of the old, what was that, console table. I just took down my little DIY table I had, and I just put these in here because I need to put them in my decor closet. And then this is the mirror that came, and I just set them here when I was taking it down and recording. So if you haven't checked that video out of my new console table, all that good stuff, I'll link it below. But that's what that mirror is from. So I just need to like get this lotus flower and those things put up. So this is my little friend. With all this mirrored furniture I have around here, I love this little feather duster. I grabbed it from Walmart for like $5 or $6, and it do so well. So I can just come over here and, you know, dust off, dust up here on my bed ledge and all that good stuff. So I love it. It do like a quick clean. And you know, this mirrored furniture collects a lot of dust. Thought I'll share.
You sing out your frustration. Just say a word. Keep on staring at the.
This is just nothing but water. I just mist the leaves and keep it, you know, mist like that. So there you have it. My bedroom looks so good. So whenever my sheets finish drying, I'll get those put back on for bed, and then I'll get the rugs for the bathroom. But look, it looks so good. I really didn't have to do a lot in here, like, so it wasn't terrible. Besides, my dresser had all that stuff on there.
Won't you sing out your frustration? Just say a word. Keep on staring at the pavement. God knows who hurt. Your walls 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. And even if the sky was falling down, you never told you so. like strangers. Scream out loud. I will go if nothing changes. So change.
Ooh, it smells good in here. All right, so everything is wiped down. I got this picture wiped down. Toilet is nice and bleached down. And my little towels. I actually just took these down and washed them probably a few days ago. So they're back up there, and I see I need to adjust. I didn't put the brooches back in the same. I'm gonna change those brooches out. I'm tired of seeing them, but everything else is nice and clean. I love it. This is it. This is my bathroom. Okay, so it's bedtime. I just changed and put the linen straight out the dryer back onto here, and I sprayed it. You may see the pillows a little damp. I sprayed it again with Egyptian cotton. It's about time to find another scent, but this is Egyptian cotton linen spray. And you see my air diffuser is still running. So good night. See you next time.